And even before we do this, how to customize the foam based on your gear, I think it would actually be helpful to talk about, you actually have some pre-configured cases. So how about talking about that even before we take a look about how to customize it?
Oh, sure. Yeah. So, I was saying maybe you might be able to find a pre-configured case for your drone. Okay. We have them on our website, so you could just buy it.
How about taking us online? Let's take a look. And,
absolutely. Yep.
So Steve's going to go to mycasebuilder.com. While he's doing that, know that our affiliate link is wgan.info/mycasebuilder. It'll take you to mycasebuilder.com, but you'll then be eligible for 2 special offers that we have worked out with Steve. So, so we're on the website. Again, you can get here either by going to mycasebuilder.com or the WGAN affiliate link, wgan.info/mycasebuilder. Right. So I was asking you, Steve, about these pre-made designs specifically for drones.
Correct. So we could go right into pre-made designs right over here on the website, and you'll see that we have them for everything, including drones, cameras, you name it. So we could go to the drone case section, and basically in here, you'll see that we do have pre-made ones, some for the Mini, some for the Mavic, some for the, all different kinds of pre-made designs with all different kinds of cavities for them. This one is a customer made this one here. So basically you could either buy these as is, okay, or you can use it as a starting point to then go and customize further. So for instance, let's say you have this one over here that the user designed. So this is a really nice case. It's got the charger, he's got the Mavic, the 2 different ones, the Crystal Sky. But let's say that you don't have that Mavic 2 hub, you need something different over there or whatever it is. So you can customize the foam, and you just click into it, and basically from there you'd be able to get a representation of all your cutouts. And you can say, you know what, I don't need this cutout, so let's just delete that one, or move this one around, or add more batteries, that kind of thing. So I know that we were going to get into that later, but I just wanted to show you that's how you would actually start with a pre-made design and then customize it further from there. So you don't have to start from scratch.